Now let us study about Lorentz force. It is a kind of force which is applied on a charged particle, say an electron, in an electromagnetic field. So it is an area where electric and magnetic field both are present. So when this happens, there are two conditions. One is that the charge Q is stationary. If it is stationary, then we know that it produces only electric field. So if there is a magnetic field, it will not give any effect, it will not affect in any way on this charged particle. There is no effect of magnetic field, only electric field will affect it. We know that the electric field will apply a force which is given by this equation, F equals to QE. This is the force applied by the electric field, and E is the electric field intensity, Q is this charge. So if it is stationary, then only electric field affects and it applies this force. But if the charge is suppose moving with a velocity v, then both electric field and magnetic fields are produced by this charge. This charge produces both electric and magnetic field. So if this moving charged particle is crossing a particular area in which there is an external electromagnetic field, that means there is already an electric and magnetic field, then there will be a force applied on this particle by both electric and magnetic field. By electric field, this same force is applied. By magnetic field, a force which is applied is given by this formula, where Q is the charge of particle, V is the velocity of the particle, and B is the strength of this magnetic field which is affecting the moving charge. Now this magnetic field B, which is denoted by B, when this force and this force are combined, then what we get is called Lorentz force. So Lorentz force, say F, is given as the force by electric field plus the force by magnetic field. So this is the expression, this is the complete expression of Lorentz force. If the question says that find out the expression of Lorentz force because of magnetic field, so since it is talking about magnetic field only, then we are going to write this expression. But if the complete total Lorentz force is found in electromagnetic field, then this entire expression will be used. Now here, the direction of this, the vector direction v cross b, we know that the direction of this will be perpendicular. It will be perpendicular to the direction of velocity and magnetic field. So let us say that if this charged particle is moving in this direction, the velocity is in this direction, and the magnetic force is in this direction, the magnetic field is in this direction, then V cross B will give us the direction of this force that is applied, of the Lorentz force. How do we find that? We use the right hand rule of cross product. Since we are doing V cross B, we put our fingers in the direction of V and we curl it towards B, because we are doing V cross B. So we put our fingers in the direction of V and curl it towards B, then the direction in which the thumb is pointing will give us the direction. So it will be the perpendicular, will be the direction of the Lorentz force. So since the Lorentz force is perpendicular, that means this force is not going to affect the magnitude of velocity or the magnetic field. It will only change the direction of the magnetic Lorentz force, will only change the direction of charge or the direction of velocity of charge. It is not going to affect, we'll write it doesn't affect magnitude of velocity. So this is an important point to remember. This means that magnetic Lorentz force is not doing any work on moving charged particle. How can we say that? we know that the work done is equal to force into displacement. If let us say that this force is the Lorentz force, and if it creates a displacement, then we know that this means Fs cos theta, and theta here, the force here is perpendicular. The charge is moving in this direction, the force is perpendicular, that means there is an angle theta between them which is equal to 90 degree, and cos 90 degree is 0. So that means the work done by the Lorentz force, by the magnetic Lorentz force, is 0 on the moving charge particle.